Hello, and welcome to the GameDev Quickie. This episode's topic is scene transitions. The goal is to have animated transitions when changing scenes. Let's get right to it. We will continue where we left off in the previous episode, the scene management. If you haven't seen it yet, please watch that episode first. Okay, let's start coding. We begin by making an abstract transition class. It will use 3 render targets: frame for the current progress of the transition, and the 2 scenes. Next, we need the duration of the whole transition, and its percentage representation. The most crucial part will be the implementation of the process method. We add a method to start the transition. The update method will track time. Lastly, the getFrame method draws the current frame of the transition. We create a new enumeration for the transition types. Let's start with an easy fade effect. All we need is to implement the process method. Gradually make the old scene invisible and display the new one. Okay, let's improve our scene manager. We add a few things regarding the transitions. A transition render target. A dictionary containing the transitions. A currently selected transition effect. And a bool flag whether the scene is ready or not. Inside the constructor, we generate a new render target. And prepare the transitions dictionary. The switch scene method gets 2 new parameters: the transition type and duration. When switching scenes, we store a frame of both. Then, start the selected transition effect. Next, we slightly modify the update method. Based on the ready flag, we update the scene or the transition. And the getFrame method is modified in the same way. To finish, we'll edit the code in the game manager as well. The update method will switch between 2 scenes. We can select the transition effect with the appropriate key. Okay, let's take a look at our first effect. Great! We see a smooth transition between scenes. We can make it faster or slower by adjusting the duration. Let's make another one. We will call it the WIP Effect. Again, implement the process method. We calculate the percentage of the screen space for each scene. The new scene will gradually cover more and more of the old one. We add the new effect to the dictionary. And assign a key as well. That's all we need to do to add a new effect. Let's see it. Perfect. The wiping effect is complete. Let me speed things up a bit by adding 4 effects at once. Let's add them to the dictionary. Assign activation keys. And we can take a look. I will show you the process method code for each effect on the side. The push transition slides the old scene away while pushing the new one in. The curtains transition spreads the new scene from the middle, just like opening the curtains. The rectangle transition inflates the new scene from the center point. The checker transition works similarly but uses more rectangles to simulate a checkerboard. Let me know which effect you like the most. I hope you have enjoyed this episode and learned something new. You'll find the code in the description below. Leave a like and subscribe to get all the new content. Is there a topic you'd love to see next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.